you go at the speed of cash. And so no doubt, so I will just, with the bakery example, when you start sharing your cookies and your cookies and your, I don't know, I'm always confused, like cookies or cookies, let me know. Cookies or cookies. Yes, you start making muffins and then you share them with people, or people start buying from you. And so when you do that, you receive some money, you can now invest in some machines you can use to help you create bigger quantities. And so the more you do that, you have more clients paying to you, more customers, and they pay you, and the money that comes to you, you just reinvest it over time, and then so on and so forth, until you reach a point where you can scale and get to at least have like your own shop. So it's very important to go at the speed of cash. So I heard that from Dave Ramsey. And so instead of jumping with debt, or even jumping with a big investment, even if it's your own money, your own cash, if you're sure that it's gonna work, good for you. But if you don't know the results, start small and then go at the speed of cash.